You used to be an exotic dancer. Okay, y'all, that is it. We are done with the wig. Like I said, this is Beauty Forever's Byebye Knots wig. As you see, it is completely glueless. All I did was put a little bit of gel just to make some little faux baby hairs, because they're not even real baby hairs because I didn't cut them. I just put a little gel and like just the lines. Okay, so we do have a sponsorship, a wig sponsorship. Thank you so much to Beauty Forever Hair for sponsoring today's video. So we got to go through that first, you know. We got to do the little 1-2. Let me show you guys what comes in your package. So you get your box, and then you get your wig, of course. This is the wig that I'll be installing. All details will be down below. You guys already know. Click the link. Check the coupon codes out. Save some money. Yeah. But along with your wig, you do get some little goodies. This is a gripper for you to put on your wig. You get a wig cap. I already have mine on, a fresh one. And then you get a wig band, another wig cap. There's some press-on nails in here. So some nice little freebies that come with your wig. So we can open her up. So this is the wig that I got. This is their Byebye Knots wig. As you can see, the knots are already bleached. The lace is already cut for you. There's already middle parting. And when they say Byebye Knots, this is what they mean. You can see it blends in with your skin tone. So no matter if you're deeply melanated or if you're light, whatever, this is going to match your skin tone. I usually still put a little bit of powder on the lace and on my cap just so it'll blend just even more better. But with this being their Byebye Knots wig, you really don't have to do too much to it. As you can see, look at that. It's just already plucked. Everything is already in place for you, so it is completely glueless. There are combs on the inside. There is a rubber gripper on the inside, and it also comes with a band. If you want to put this wig band on, there's 2 attachments right here and right here. It will just give you that extra added security if you so please. I think this is a water wave, if I'm not mistaken. I believe it's 24 inches. No, this is 24 inches. The details will be down below. All the information about this wig will be down below. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of powder on my wig, and we're going to get it prepped and get this unit on my head. Okay y'all, that is it. We are done with the wig. Like I said, this is Beauty Forever's Byebye Knots wig. As you see, it is completely glueless. All I did was put a little bit of gel just to make some little faux baby hairs, because they're not even real baby hairs because I didn't cut them. I just put a little gel and like just did a little swoop with my finger on both sides. I let it sit with my band on for about 15 minutes, and yeah, that's it. Well, I did put a little bit of oil and a tiny bit of mousse in my hair, which is pretty much 95% dry now. So this is the curl pattern of the hair, y'all, and it is on your head good. It's on there good. We ain't gotta worry about no slippage, nothing. The hairline looks really, really nice. I didn't add any additional powder to it. Usually I would just do like a little, you know, touch up around the edges. I didn't even need to do that today. You can definitely wear it parted down the middle because that's how it comes. Me, I'm probably just gonna do like a fun little flip over maybe. Yeah, let's do like a fun little flip over of the hair. So it's almost like, baby, this hair is ready for vacation. We're gonna use the hot comb a little bit just to kind of help it stay in place. I don't want to do too much because I do want to keep the part down the middle just in case I decide to wear the part. So we're just gonna do a little something to the front. That's it. That's all. I could link this hot comb down below. I got it from Amazon. But yeah, y'all, super easy wig, completely glueless. You ain't gotta spend a bunch of money getting a wig installed at a hair salon. You can do it yourself because with these Byebye Knots wigs, you don't have to do any manipulation to it, nothing. Y'all already know I always do the easy route. Whatever super easy is for me, and then I can take this off at night and put it back on during the day. So you guys check down below for all the information. Check out Beauty Forever Hair. Once again, a huge shout out to them for sending me this bomb wig, okay? Yes. Y'all check out Beauty Forever Hair. Get this cute wig that looks so nice on me, that looks so effortless and just pretty, and yeah. And if you like today's video, if you're new here, please subscribe. Y'all hit the like button because it's free 99. It's free 99. It helps me out if you hit the like button. Leave a comment. Maybe leave more assumptions down below. We'll see. Maybe I'll do another assumptions video. But anyways, y'all, I'm about to pack because I'm going on a last minute trip. I just decided tonight that I'm gonna go on a trip tomorrow, so your girl gotta pack. It ain't no trip like that, but it's still a trip. I still gotta pack. So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I love y'all. Bye.